In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to your Etsy shop. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that provides insights into who your customers are, what they're interested in, and how they interact with your shop. By integrating this tool, you can make data-driven decisions to enhance your store's performance. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need a Google account to get started. If you don't have one already, head over to Google's website and create an account. It's free and will open up a multitude of tools for you, aside from Google Analytics. Once you have your Google account set up, the next step is to go to the Google Analytics website. Log in with your Google credentials. If it's your first time there, you'll be guided through the setup process, starting with creating an account specifically for analytics purposes. During the setup, you'll have to enter an account name. It's a good idea to name it something that reflects your business or shop name for easy identification, especially if you manage multiple accounts. After naming your account, you'll be able to customize settings related to sharing data between Google Analytics and other Google services. Choose the options that best suit your preferences, bearing in mind what insights or data might be most useful for your business. Next, you'll need to set up a property. This property is essentially your Etsy shop. Enter your shop's name, select your preferred time zone, and choose a currency. This minimizes conversion errors and ensures your data reflects the correct financial context. Make sure all this information is accurate to get the most reliable insights. Once your property is set up, Google will generate a tracking ID. This is the unique code that connects your Etsy shop to Google Analytics. Now, it's time to synchronize this with your Etsy store. Log into your Etsy account, go to the Shop Manager, and find your shop settings. Within the settings, look for the Web Analytics option. Click on this, and you'll see an option to add your Google Analytics tracking ID. Go ahead and paste the tracking ID you got from Google Analytics into the designated field on Etsy. This action links the two accounts, allowing Google Analytics to start collecting data from your shop immediately. After pasting the ID, don't forget to save your settings. At this point, the integration process is complete, and Google Analytics will begin gathering data on your Etsy shop's traffic and performance. To maximize the benefits of using Google Analytics with your Etsy shop, familiarize yourself with its dashboard. Exploration is key here. Delve into the various reports and features, such as understanding user demographics, acquisition channels, and customer behavior patterns. The insights you gain from these reports can help strategize marketing efforts, refine product offerings, and ultimately, increase sales. That's it! You've successfully added Google Analytics to your Etsy shop. Remember, the more you understand your analytics, the more you can optimize and grow your business. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!